Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the content aware fill feature on Photoshop. So you can either use this here and select the content that you want to fill. Right click, select fill. You can either select foreground color, okay. You can either select the background color, okay. You can even right click and select a color. Here, as you can see, right click fill. You can do the content aware one. It does take a little bit longer to load. It's not the most perfect, but you can see that they try to like fill in the content to remove the person like that. There's the pattern, history, etc., etc. You can also use like this tool, for instance. I mean, not this one. The object selection tool. For instance, like just you want to select this object and fill it with something else, you could absolutely do that as well, and it's going to create those like dots around the object like this. Right click and then fill. Then maybe I want to select like a color, you can do that. But that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!